Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to play the Gunsa Boom and I'm going to show you how amazing and tricky it is to play this game. So without any delay, let's begin with the show. So now for beginning this game, you're going to perform a simple step, that is you're going to click on the battle. So before the battle, I will show you what are the things I'm having with me. So I'll click here. So here I'm having all the guns over here. I haven't equipped all the guns and I have something to be bought also. So I'm having some few guns. I like this gun the most because it has a power of 936, a max of 1708. So I have that gun. I'm having a shotgun or dead dealer. It's pretty good when someone comes near to us. A falcon, which is pretty good when some guy is that literally very far from us, and it will help us for shooting. Where a machine gun will help you for a continuous shoot of the fire, whereas a pistol will help you when a guy is very close to us. As well as the knives we have it when the person goes very close to us and we have to strike it with a knife rather than a gun, it will help us a lot. So it is 480, where I have to buy something good for it. So I'm having this 410 rather than 480. So I'd like to go with 480. That's active over there. So finally I'm going to have this as an active one and the machine gun as the good quality one. So as you can see, this is one equipped for me, so I can change it during the gameplay. So I click on the battle over there, the game starts. It takes some time as it has to search for the battles going on nearby, and otherwise it will be searching for the new upcoming battles, and then they will join us with the server. Yeah, I think it is currently, battle has been found. It's in the village of Mexico. So here it goes. The loading finished with 100%. Here comes the battle. So this is how the battle starts. It's going to be pretty easy to play this game. So here are all the players over there. As you can see, I'm not moving. You're going to use the right pad to move it, as well as the left pad to move the person. As you can see, the guy shooting from there, to whom we can also kill them. It's me who killed. Nice to show that. I reloaded by clicking on the reload button there. And then if anyone comes in, and I'm going to kill them. This is a good place of hiding for this Mexico village, I think so. Here's a bomb over there, as you can see. Then I can choose the sniper things. This is how I kill it so easily when it's too close. This is the specialty of this gun. You will have it with every gun. The scores are going up at the top, as you can see, 72 and there are 57 over there. The game will last for just 4 minutes. If the scores are both same at the last moment, or if some of the guys scores a full bar over there, the match would go to them. But if they score the same score, it has to be go for the sudden death option. Oh shit, I was killed. So it's going to have a for 4 seconds this one. As I showed you, I'm having all the types of guns, shotgun and all. This is the sniper gun. I can just focus it just like that. I can change it from here. Oh, he just killed me over there. It's sad to see that, but I'm not going to give it up, as I'm going to try my level best to win this game. So easy just like that. He is using a shotgun, I hope so. Yeah, it's a Arctic gun. He's having somewhere on his head. Just easy just like that. Then we need to keep on going with that. Someone seems to be shooting from there. Whoa, it was someone. Oh, I'm not going to give up. As I said, you keep on this match. Let's try some different thing here. Some guy over there. Let's kill him first. He's having some sniper. He's having some long distance gun. I'll use this machine gun and it has a higher range than the normal one. Then I'll go to my original gun back. The guy is coming from there, as you can see over there. He was using a shotgun, powerful gun. This is it. It's star 2. Jacket level is star 4. Go on there, let's go in. That was a shotgun, but I will not take it since because its range is too low. Easy over there. I'll show you a picture of, okay, I was unable to go too close to it, so I was unable to use the knife. But I will try my level best to show you guys how to use the knife. There's someone there. I hope I never showed you how to use the bomb or health kit, I think so. As you can see, there are 2 bombs over there and the 2 medikits over there. Medikit will help you to increase your life, whereas the bomb will help you to blast it over them. As you can see, I just put a bomb on them. And it's the last moment. We are leading just by 12, so we win the match. This is how we play the game in an easy way. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't worry, I'm not going to finish the gameplay here. I'm going to continue with one more match over there, and I hope I win the next match too, until my friends are playing a good way. This is how you collect something, and you have a bonus chest always. You can play the video and you can take it. So this is how it is. So you can click on the video, the latest videos going on the Guns of Boom videos. It will be showing you there. As well as you'll have the mails from this side. You will have it messages. You'll have something such as replies and all. You'll have different things given by those peoples. And then you'll have some quests which you have to unlock by daily playing. There are mains, and you'll have these daily missions. So you have your friends, you have your clan. So I have joined already a clan over there, and the clan I am only active. So this is how the whole interface is. The easy way, it has an automatic shooting one. Let me go to settings and show you how it is. The sensitivity can be increased just by swiping it. Then you have some sound option over there, advanced over there. Frame rate is 60 and 30p. I'll go for 60, warning high frame, consumption, high battery charges. So I've gone to 30%. It's pretty usable. Whereas you have community like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Discord and Twitch. You can have the help option. If you have any problem with the game, you can just go with the help option over there. It'll directly connect you to the Guns of Boom servers. So let's go with one more match over there. I click on battle. So it will take some time over there. As it shows, you can use the 2 grenades or 5 health kits over there for a single life. After you're dead over there, next respawn, you will get it back. So this is how you form battle over there. Skyscraper. So here the battle starts. It's cool. Let's move forward. I hope no one will be there. Slow and steady. I'll strike with a knife, as you saw. Oh, whoa, I wasn't killed first. Bad to see that. So, I was killed first. So, bad to see that. Kill assist. Let's hide the same way as he hid it there. We have 56 and they're 30 because that guy killed 2 peoples in one go. I wasn't able to strike him full down with the knife, as you can see, guys. So I will try my level best to use this or a shotgun over there, which might help me sometimes. Did I? No? Bad side. Let's use this gun back. As I go very close to it, this gun shows some special power that is killing at a higher rate than the normal one. They're 140 and we are 103. Yeah, I do kill them with the bomb and gunshots too. Let's continue the game. So someone is still being killed there. That means someone is there. Oh, he just skipped from the bomb. So sad to see that. Let's go again over there and kill him right there. So it's to the headshot of it. So I'm going to increase my life using the health kit button over there. So 3 more left with me after this. So it was a critical point where they had more players in one place and I was one. I must have used the bomb over there. That's my mistake. I agree with it. So I keep on going in the same way. Killed someone over there. One more guy was there back of it, so the smoke made them invisible for a few seconds. So let's try some different paths so that I can just dodge them a bit. Oh, he was having more life. He was using something else, I think so. I don't know. Might be. Let's keep my motion for this. There are 3 hit 1. That no one's there. Oh, someone was there back of him. I couldn't see him. But you're pretty good. 440, 345, then 440, 346. So let's not be down too much. Let's keep going as we're supposed to go. Keep the motion progress and some other guys coming from there. Let's put the bomb there first. That is sad. I'm giving my life and giving a point to the. We are leading by more points. I think so, and it is so. Let's keep the motion and the pressure on them. This is how the game goes, the pretty easy way as you play it. So I'm going to end this video here. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon just side of the subscribe button. So thank you guys. Have fun with this game. It is available free on the Play Store, and I will give you the link for this game on the description below. Please don't forget to comment on the video about this game. Thank you guys.